All right, so this is the way you open it. You just pop it this way, and you'll notice that the battery will fall out if you tap it right here. Bam, done. All right, I'm going to show you how to install the batteries in these hearing aids. This is called a Phonak, I believe, and it has this little compartment here. See how that kind of closes? And you open it by popping it right here. You'll see there's a little red dot there. Right, and then you'll see that this is all flat. Now you've got to flip it over this way, right? Notice how this one's backwards right here? This is the part that goes in your ear. So what I've done is I've gotten a pair of tweezers so I can pick up this battery so you can see it. If you look on the bottom of it, see how it's got a little ridge? That part has to go in this way. So you got to just kind of like drop it in there, smush it in like that, and then you can go ahead and close it. And bam, that's it. That's how you do it. That is how you change the battery on the, whatever the heck that is, name of that thing. So anyway, that's that. Here's this one already in here, and all I have to do is just close it. Bam, it's done. And then both of these are ready to be put in your ears, and you should be able to hear. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff. Peace out.